Hello students, welcome back to class 3 GK and I am Mrs. Pushpa Gopan. Today we are going to learn page number 10 of your GK book and the topic is Book Nook. Let's begin. Here you can see a crossword puzzle. You can see cells arranged across and downwards direction, and you can also see clues for each words to be filled across and downwards. So let's start solving the puzzle. Our first clue is a day-to-day record of events, thoughts and personal activities. A day-to-day record of events, thoughts and personal activities. Can you guess the answer? Yes, it's a diary. So, where we should write diary? Here, D-I-A-R-Y, diary. Since it's across number 1, we will find number 1 in the crossword and fill diary across it. Let's move to number 2. Our clue is a collection of recipes and cooking tips. A collection of recipes and cooking tips. Answer is cookbook. So we will write cookbook in the across direction. C-O-O-K. Cook. B-O-O-K. Book. Cookbook. Say children, there is no number 3 in this across section because there is no word to be filled across number 3 but only downwards. So you can see number 3 in down section. Similarly, there is no number 2 in the down section because there is no word which has to be filled in number 2. So let's move to the next clue, which is number 4. A book that a person writes to tell the story of his life. A book that a person writes to tell the story of his life. Answer is autobiography. For example, Wings of Fire, which is the beautiful autobiography of our former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Let's write autobiography in the crossword. A-U-T-O-B-I-O-G-R-A-P-H-Y. Autobiography. Let's move to the next clue. A book of maps. What is a book of maps? Answer is atlas. Number 6, atlas we will write here. Our last clue is a story in which animals speak like humans and it ends with a lesson or moral. I will repeat the question for you. A story in which animals speak like humans and it ends with a lesson or moral. Answer is fable. F-A-B-L-E, fable. So we have solved all the across direction. Now children, let's move to the next section, downward direction. The first clue is in this section, a book of words with their meanings arranged in alphabetical order. A book of words with their meanings arranged in alphabetical order. The answer is dictionary. Number 1, downwards, dictionary. Here it is. Dictionary. Dictionary. You please write carefully. The next clue is a book of cartoons that tells a story. I am sure you all know the answer. A book of cartoons that tells a story. Answer is comic book. Comic book we will write here. C-O-M-I-C. Comic, B-O-O-K, book. Comic book. Our next clue is a short rhyme of children that often tells a story. A short rhyme of children that often tells a story. The answer is nursery rhymes. What is the spelling of nursery rhymes? N-U-R-S-E-R-Y. Nursery, R-H-Y-M-S. Nursery rhymes. Our last clue is the story of a person's life written by another person. The story of a person's life written by another person. The answer is biography. Where should we write biography? Yes, here it is. By B-I-O-G-R-A-P-H-Y. Biography. So children, we have solved all the crossword puzzles with the clue is given. Okay. So take a look at your bookshelf to see if you have any of these books which we learned about in this class. See this video again and again. Try to learn the answers. With this, we come to the end of today's class. Bye.